friend of me is Realme GT Master Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now tap on additional settings, keyboard and input method, keyboard and theme. Then choose show mode to see all available options, and when you're ready, download one of those images by tapping on the chosen one, clicking on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them, and tapping apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!